Welcome to Case Study Series in Strategy. Case Study by Skilled MBA, Bosch's digital transformation in China's automotive aftermarket focuses on leveraging technology to enhance efficiency and customer experience. By integrating Internet of Things and artificial intelligence, Bosch optimizes supply chains and personalizes services. This strategic shift addresses evolving consumer demands and positions Bosch as a leader in the rapidly changing market landscape. By 2020, China's automotive aftermarket faced significant disruption. E-commerce platforms altered parts distribution, while connected electric vehicles introduced new service demands. Digital-first customers sought instant solutions, further pressuring traditional channels. These forces collectively led to shrinking profit margins, necessitating strategic adaptation. Bosch faces increased competition from digital native entrants with lower costs. Traditional channels are less profitable due to e-commerce growth, creating margin pressure. Chinese consumers demand seamless digital experiences, highlighting an innovation gap. Legacy systems and processes must transform to meet the needs of modern, connected vehicles. Wang Songtao, Regional President of Bosch Mobility Aftermarket Asia Pacific, envisioned a transformative digital-first strategy. He aimed to shift Bosch from a mere parts supplier to a digital solutions provider, creating an integrated ecosystem of products, operations, and partnerships. This vision positioned Bosch as a digital leader in China's automotive aftermarket. The strategic framework, 3 layers, 1 ordinate, integrates ecosystem partnerships, smart operations, and connected products. Collaborations with tech platforms and service providers enhance value. Digitized workflows and data analytics optimize operations. Internet of Things enabled parts and diagnostic tools drive innovation, creating a cohesive digital ecosystem focused on exceptional customer value. Connected products innovation has revolutionized traditional parts by integrating Internet of Things connectivity and sensors. Artificial intelligence-driven predictive maintenance capabilities enhance reliability, while diagnostic tools are tailored for next-generation electric vehicles. A digital identity for parts combats counterfeiting, ensuring authenticity and security in the supply chain. Leveraging advanced analytics, we identify market trends and customer needs, enhancing our strategic decisions. Our digital supply chain ensures real-time inventory management and predictive logistics, optimizing operations. Automated workflows streamline processes, reducing costs and boosting efficiency. A 360-degree customer view allows for personalized service experiences, elevating customer satisfaction and loyalty. Ecosystem partnerships are crucial for digital transformation. Bosch collaborates with Chinese e-commerce giants like Tmall and JD.com, enhancing market reach. Independent workshops are digitized with Bosch tools, integrating them into a cohesive network. Collaborations with tech startups drive innovation, expanding service capabilities, and ensuring Bosch remains at the forefront of automotive solutions. The Bosch Connected Parts platform revolutionizes automotive service by linking vehicle owners, workshops, and distributors through a mobile app. It offers real-time parts availability, predictive maintenance alerts, and seamless appointment booking. Additionally, it integrates with payment platforms and loyalty programs, enhancing service efficiency and customer satisfaction. The online-to-offline service model enhances customer experience by integrating digital and physical interactions. Customers discover services via Bosch platforms, book appointments online, and receive physical service with digital tools. Post-service, they benefit from feedback, reminders, and rewards, ensuring a seamless journey that combines digital convenience with high-quality service. Wang Songtao emphasized that technology required a cultural shift. Comprehensive retraining programs were implemented for staff, alongside recruiting digital native talent. Innovation labs were established to encourage experimentation. Performance metrics were adjusted to prioritize digital adoption, and leadership development focused on digital transformation, ensuring a holistic approach to change. Bosch's digital transformation led to a 42% revenue growth through digital channels by 2023. The connected parts platform attracted 3.2 million users in 2 years. Digital tool adoption reached 68% among independent workshops, while supply chain and operational efficiency improved by 27%. These metrics highlight the significant impact of Bosch's strategic initiatives. Bosch must tailor its strategy to diverse Asia-Pacific markets, considering varying digital infrastructure levels. Identifying which elements of the China playbook can be standardized is crucial, while others need local adaptation. Prioritizing investments strategically across these markets will maximize returns and minimize risks, ensuring effective scaling and sustainable growth. Digital transformation demands a holistic approach, integrating products, operations, and partnerships. Technical innovations thrive on cultural change and talent development. Building networks of partnerships is crucial for success in disrupted markets. Digital strategies should adapt to local conditions while upholding global standards. Thank you, and Bosch's digital innovation in China's automotive aftermarket highlights the potential of turning disruption into opportunity. Scaling this success across Asia-Pacific markets presents unique challenges. Stay tuned for more strategic insights in our upcoming case studies.